on the way para bumili ng milk tea. Tayo sa labas sa bayan ng Angono again. Meron din kami favorite spot for milk tea, which is Checo. Parang ayoko na lumabas tuloy yun. Doon na lang tayo sa inyo. What if sa may third floor nyo tayo tambay? Third floor. Yeah, tambay lang tayo saglit.
Di ba meron tayo dun sa ano? Ayan, cut-cut na lang. Short.
Here's our drinks. Where are we?
Here at On the Top.
Over the top. We're here at Over the Top. We already started eating, so we're almost halfway na. Looks nice pa. How would you rate your muffin?
6 out of 10. Good.
This is my muffin is chocolate muffin lang. It has chocolate bits on top. For me, this is a 6 out of 10 as well. And for our matcha frap, Over the Top, this one, yeah, 7 out of 10. You?
Yung matcha, dahil mahilig kami sa matcha, 8.